Bye-bye.
Open road, we're free now. Windows down, let the breeze flow. Endless miles to carry us. Nothing ahead, just sky.
Hello everyone. For this video, pupunta tayo sa Tanay. Kukunin ko yung aking pantalon, yung aking uniform. So I hope ay okay na siya. At meron din akong ipaparepair na dalawang barong. Paparepair ko yung aking barong kasi medyo maluwag.
Of our hearts beating loud. Every twist, every turn. In this ride, we endlessly burn. Darkness falls, but we feel light. Together we chase the night.
Parang makulimlim, pero sana wag tayong abutin ng ulan.
On this endless journey.
Shoot.
Morning breaks with golden hues.
Ang oras ay 11 o'clock ng umaga. So malapit lang naman ang ating pupuntahan sa Tanay lang. Kukunin natin ang aking pantalon, ang aking slacks, ang aking uniform. Medyo maaliwalas naman ang panahon pero merong parang dark clouds. Mamaya may rain cloud, parang may rain cloud sa may balang ng kanan.
In this ride, we endlessly burn.
Daming basura siguro madalas dito sa gawing kanan na ito. Lakas kasi ng ulan nung nakaraang araw. Pinahan na naman ng pililya. Pero mabuti na yun, okay na. Wala na, umupa na yung baha. May landslide doon.
Open skies and endless road. Wheels keep turning, feeling bold. Sun is setting in the west.
Hala, delikado. Talaga itong kwan na ito. Landslide.
Slow where we go.
Nagumuho ang ating buntok dito.
Underneath the silver moon.
Ako takot, dapat lagyan nila ng net yan.
Stars are shining bright. Feel the freedom take its flight. Open road, dreams tonight. Passing
Pero ang magandang ginagawa, tinatabasan ng mga puno.
the world reveals whispers of the open air. We find our way without a care. Laughter fills the twilight calm. Hand in hand, steady and warm. Destiny is ours to make with every mile we take. Driving through the night, stars are shining bright. Feel the freedom take its flight. Open road, dreams tonight. Dreams tonight. Feels like we're home every mile.
Dito tayo dito sa kaliwa. Sana ay nandito si Ka Henry.
We'll keep driving.
Sana ay hindi umalis.
In the morning light, no end in sight. We keep driving, hearts aligned. In the morning light, no end in sight. Stars light up our path, midnight's gentle touch. With you
Mukhang bukas
beside
naman.
me, nothing else
Yun.
means much. Small towns passing by, signs of life we've known. In this moving refuge,
Tao po.
finally grown.
Kunin ko yung aking pantalon. Thank you.
Alive in the morning light, no end in sight.
Nakuha na si pantalon. Sakto naman.
Small towns passing by, signs of life we've known. In this moving refuge we've finally grown. We'll keep driving, hearts alive. In the morning light, no end in sight.
Oh, lampas.
Open skies, an endless road. Wheels keep turning, feeling bold. Sun is setting in the west. Peaceful heart is feeling blessed. Mountains high and valleys low. Time moves slow where we go. Radio softly playing tunes underneath the silver.
Opo. Kasaba cake po. Yung tig 275.
Stars are shining bright. Feel the freedom take its flight. Open road dreams tonight. Passing towns and empty fields. Forget the scars the world reveals. Whispers of the open air. We find our way without a care. Laughter fills the twilight calm. Hand in hand, steady and warm. Destiny is ours to make.
Next, palengke.
Driving through the night. Stars are shining bright. Feel the freedom take its flight. Open road dreams tonight.
Magkano po ang ano sa sibuyas? $135. $107. Dagdagan natin. Yeah, testing. Ang mote. Sorry ko. Okay na to. Okay na to.
In the darkness, feeling
So, yun na nga. Tayo ay pauwi.
our spirits fly.
We accomplished many things. Nakuha na natin ang aking pants. Kaya lang, ibinalik naman natin ang ating barong para i-repair ng konti kasi medyo maluwag. Then, bumili tayo ng pasalubong. Dumaan tayo ng palengke ng Tanay para bumili ng sibuyas. O di ayos. I'm thinking to buy something kaya lang wala akong maisip. So ayun, I decided to go home na. So ayan, di tayo dumaan sa tinignan ako kung mayroong tindang okoy. At ang tawag dito, inulang. So ayun guys, dito natin tatapusin ang ating video. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. So this is your teacher Ron. Goodbye everyone. God bless.
Driving down the open road.